Alrighty boys, welcome back to yet another video on the good old channel here. Today we're finally putting in exhaust on the good old E36. I got an ISR, yeah, I'll be honest, I don't remember the name off the top of my head, but is a, I don't know, I want to say it's like a full exhaust, because these two go off the headers, goes into this, and then got the goods down below. Let me show you guys. This is the main reason I bought this exhaust right here. Ooh, always open it from the wrong side. Look at this. Freaking massive blast pipes, dude. These are going to be, these are going to be good. I think this thing is going to be really loud too, but the videos I watched, but it's perfect as a drift car, you know, it doesn't have to be quiet, you know? Let's check this out. All right, so you guys see what I'm working with here. I don't know if I'm able to put the camera under here, but there's, which is a header, yeah, headers right here. So 3 on here and then 3 on this one. Getting to this one's gonna be a little hard, but dude, these came off so easy. I was doing it, I was like, dude, no way these came out that easily. But yeah, so I have these 3, and then go down there, take off some of the hangers. I think I have to take this little like chassis brace off. I don't think I can use this with this exhaust from watching the videos and stuff, but I'm gonna try to set up my camera. Okay, there. Oh my god. 1 bolt off. 3 more to go. Taking the brace off. Taking this brace off because 1, I don't think I can use it, and 2, it is in my way. 1 more and this thing should come crashing down. Okay, yep. If I can actually put on that bolt. Just like that. That one's off as well. Oh my god. And there we go. She is now hanging by the hangers. Well, that was a lot easier than I thought. I think the rest was going to be easier to get to. Alright, check this out. Finally got the exhaust off. I did not get the O2 sensors off. Did not get these off. I just unplugged them and I'll get them off in a second. But now we got this. These 2 are separate. The one's already under there, and then blast pipes. Time to slap it on. One of the first ones in super easy, and then just putting this on piece by piece. We'll do this in the middle section, and then the blast pipes after that. But
do you really need this camera in the way? I mean, because it's in the way right now.
Oh, great. Okay, just, oh, you gotta be kidding me. Finally got to the exhaust done. Look at that. Looking really good. Oops. All throughout here. New hangers right there. O2 sensors are in. Front section's up. Also, new hangers and stuff they included right here. Yeah, we'll clear this thing, get the jacks down, and I'll give it a go start up. All right, first start. That's loud. Guys, this is like actually like, this is like insane. I'm gonna just try to like set my camera up. Just, okay, ignore this, but dude, just listen to how obnoxious this is. I did not realize it'd be this obnoxious. This is like insane. Just take a listen. Dude, like what? This is insane. Like it's almost too loud. Like little pops, wait. Or not, I don't know, sometimes it gives a little, some pops or something, but look, this is just, see, it's not bad there, but then once it, like, right about here, like, that is dumb, like, dude, that is, like, almost, like, way too much. I'll do some downshifts, it sometimes pops a little bit. Your average E36 now.
That shouldn't be.
All right, hold on. You guys can't see anything, but I got the GoPro suction cup to the back of the freaking BMW right now. Yep, you can see that. Exhaust is right there. Apparently this thing shoots flames. I haven't seen it, but we're about to find out. Here's a cold start too. In how many temperatures is it? 44 temperatures right now, degrees. Sounds beautiful. get some videos, and yeah, it'll be pretty good. You guys heard the freaking exhaust. That thing it's pretty stinky, if I do say so. It's pretty stinky, but yeah, I'm gonna put a freaking muffler on this thing. But now we're here at some warehouse, I'm gonna have a little bit of fun. All right, I got the head cam on. Let's go. I need freaking seats and a harness.
You're fucking sliding around.
Jeez, dude, I could barely freaking get the wheel. I was like, dude.
Especially with leather seats too.
Oh, 100%, yeah. Alright, boys, well, forgot to film an outro, but dude, I appreciate you guys for all watching this video. It's a long-awaited exhaust video. I filmed this like a couple months ago, so finally got around to getting this up. Fortunately, I didn't get clips of it shooting flames. I think I let it warm up too long because for some reason it shoots flames when it's cold. Not like insanely cold, but a little bit after I started up. So maybe next time I take it out, I'll put the GoPro on, get some clips, maybe some flames. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, boys, stay tuned for more E36 content coming soon. But yeah, boys, I'm a bounce.